एनिमेशन। अस्सलामो अलैकुम, मैं हूं अवैस, आप देख रहे हैं अवैस मैट्रिक्स। So today in this video, we are going to see the Windows 11 step-by-step install guide. But before that, देख लीजिए requirements image. The requirements are 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, UEFI, TPM 2.0. And now first of all, backup your data. Clean install करते समय, files and apps and data. सब कुछ delete हो जाता है. So it is very important to take backup. Now to create a bootable USB for creating Windows 11, there are two easy ways. One is using Media Creation Tool. Another one is using Rufus. I will show you the Media Creation Tool here. Just go to the website, download the Media Creation Tool. After downloading, open it, accept the terms and conditions. Now select Create an Installation Media on another PC. Next, select your language, download it, then select the language again, agree on the terms and conditions, and now select USB flash drive. Now USB flash drive select करें. USB का size 8GB or above select करें. Now download करें. Just wait for the download to complete. After downloading, just open up the BIOS or UEFI settings. In my case, it is F2 key. Now over here, just make sure that UEFI is enabled and secure boot is also enabled. Another important setting is that first boot option KO USB first make sure. Now just save and exit. Now when you restart your PC, it will boot from the USB and it will start the installation. You will see the Windows setup screen over here. Just click on Next. Now here it is showing Custom, select it, and now just click on Next. It will delete all the partitions. Don't worry. Just click on Next. It will create new partitions and now your Windows will be installed. Just wait for the installation to complete. Now when you restart your PC, you will see the Windows 10 desktop and you will see the ISO icon over here. Just double-click on it and now it will start the Windows 11 setup. You don't have to make any changes here. Just click on Keep Files and Apps and now click on Next. It will take some time to upgrade your system. Just wait for it to complete. Now when you restart your PC, it will take you to the UBE setup. Over here, just select your region, keyboard layout, connect to Wi-Fi, and then sign in to your Microsoft account. Now after the first boot, you will see the Windows Update screen. Just click on Check for updates and install all the drivers and updates. And after that, just check for activation. If it is activated, that's fine. Otherwise, activate your Windows. So this was the Windows 11 complete guide. I hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Awais, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.